everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Revolution makeup haul, so if you want to see what I got from Revolution then keep on watching. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Kezzie and I post videos every single Wednesdays and Fridays which are going to be makeup related, and then Sundays are my vlogging days. So yeah, if you want to join my lovely family, it would mean the world to me. And for those of you who are returning back to my channel, thank you so much for all your love and support. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and obviously if you want to see more, then definitely press subscribe because it would help me out a lot. Let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so let's begin and see what I got from Revolution and obviously try out some of the products. So I'm gonna just show you guys some products that we're gonna start with. And basically, I'm just going to talk about this one first. So this one is the Revolution Brow Soap and Care with added jojoba and castor oil to help nourish and protect your brow. I have already tried this out simply because I don't know how to apply products sometimes of the brows. So I just wanted to test it out myself and see how it goes, and obviously I will tell you about it. But basically this is how I did my brows today using this product. And what I did was I first dampened the brush and I applied this onto my brow, and I filled in my brows using the Revolution brow pencil, and then I set them in place again with this brush and the Revolution Soap and Care product. Basically, I really like how it's packaged. Even the outer packaging of it is stunning. Sorry I cut it out off camera, but I just wanted to make sure that it's all right. And it is KezziesCorner approved for sure. I have this one. So this is a lash care serum, and I've been obviously looking for a lash care serum. This one comes like this, and as you can see there's like little bubbles over there. I don't know if you can see them, and it's basically a pen because that is what the brush tip looks like. So basically what you do is you would press this and then the product would come out. However, I'm really disappointed because I thought it would be sort of an easier sort of application. Obviously you can't really control how much product you're actually taking out. We will see. I don't know. I cannot try it today because obviously I'm going to apply eyeshadow. I will obviously be adding it to my nighttime routine and we'll see how it goes. I might share something on my Insta stories or something like that, so definitely be sure to be following me over there. And then something interesting which is for the night is this one. Is the Revolution Overnight Dream Mist. It is a calming lavender and essential oil facial and pillow spray which works while you sleep. So this is interesting. I don't own anything like this, so it was something, you know, for me to try out. Let me just spray it. Ooh, I don't know if it's gonna put me to sleep now. It smells really nice and refreshing actually. They have a whole range, so I definitely recommend you checking them out if you like these kind of things. But I just picked up this one because I was like, I need to try this out. So I got 4 I Heart Revolution palettes because I was like, okay, I don't have 2 of the chocolate ones in my collection, so I added them. And then I got these 2 which are from like the Good Luck, Lucky Charms, and like a fortune teller one, I think it was. Yeah, Fortune and Crystals. So first we have this one. This is the Rose Marble Gold the Marble Rose Gold I Heart Revolution palette. It basically looks like this. It's actually a really pretty palette, and I do think that this is the one I'm going to be using today because it actually looks absolutely amazing. I love this. I love the color scheme of it. It's very pink. It's very my kind of shades. This is the one I'm going to be using today because it has a lot of pink shades. So I guess they're all like shimmer shades, but I'm sure we'll make it work, don't worry. So we got that one, and then I got this one. This one is the I Heart Revolution Caramel Nudes, and it looks really, really pretty as well. It has a mixture of beautiful shades, very like deep as well, like the shades. You have these like browns over here. Then you have like a popping lilac, which is like beautiful, really pretty. I like that. Okay, but I think I still use the rose gold today. And then I got the I Heart Revolution Fortunes and Crystals palette, which looks like this. It's very purpley, as you can tell, obviously. And this is the palette. There's a lot of purple going on. And then this one is the I Heart Revolution Good Luck Charms palette. I think this was released, I think, close to the St. Patrick's Day. I was back in March, but I absolutely love, look at these pictures over here and that cat over there. I love the packaging of it. It's very unique as well for I Heart Revolution. And then this is the palette. To be honest, there's like You can do a lot of things with this palette, and it's not just focusing on the greens, which is obviously what I like. So let's begin. I think I've already primed my lids, and then we'll like add some more products as we go along. For the most part, I'm going to be using the two I Heart Revolution palettes I mentioned, the Marble Rose Gold and the Caramel Nude. The Marble Rose Gold doesn't have any shimmer shade, matte shades, so I think that's why I will definitely jump into that. I think I'm gonna go into Dream from the Caramel Nudes palette. Obviously, I'm going to be doing a simple look because this is mostly focusing as well on what I bought from Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to apply this onto my crease. And I'm just going to build it up just a slight tad on this side. Just a bit. I think I'm just going to fluff it away so I don't have so much product. I really like that. It's a pretty sort of average, not average, a pretty good crease shade, you know, to start with. And now I'm going to go into, I think this is what I needed from the Caramel Nudes. And now I'm going to just jump into the Marble Rose Gold because I just want to use this palette basically. Okay, so I think I'm going to go into Ochre, which is this one right here. So it's this one right here. It's like a peach as well. So again, it's a shimmer, so they're not gonna be as pigmented, I think, as the shade we tried before. But I'm going to just put it below the first shade. It's a very peach shade, and I think it really went well with our first shade from the Caramel Nudes palette, to be honest. Oh, it's a really pretty color. Very peach as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Bit confused, to be honest, guys. Bit confused, but it's fine. We will manage. Okay, so let us take, okay, I think I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I think this one. Sorbet, which is this one right here. I think it really probably will go well with Ochre. I'm just going to apply this, sort of the outer corner. Ooh, it's a really orange shade. In my outer corner. But I'm going to bring it in my crease. I'm going to just use my previous brush to just blend it out. So now what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to just add Marzipan. Marzipan is the one next to the other shade, which is called Sorbet. And again, I'm just going to put it in my outer corner using the same brush we used for Sorbet. I'm just going to place it in my outer corner. And then again, I'm just going to take probably Ochre and Sorbet together. I'm just building that up. Just a mixture of different colors. I think now the exciting thing is obviously what colors I'm going to use for like my base. I just want to try these out and see what these two do. I think it's just going to be an experiment, guys. It's not going to be about like the best makeup look. I just want to see what these two shades do. So I got this one and this one. This one was Sweet Stuff and Pearl. Okay, so like this is Sweet Stuff. This one is Sweet Stuff. And then this one is Pearl. That's Pearl. And that's Sweet Stuff. Okay, so I dampened my brush. And I'm going to use Sweet Stuff first. So let's use Sweet Stuff. I don't know. First I'm going to try with the brush. If not, I would just use my finger. So this is Sweet Stuff. So I'm going to take Marzipan again, and I'm just going to blend that out with Sweet Stuff. I think that's what I want to do, yeah, something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Pearl on my binky, and I'm going to just put it in my inner corner. So something like this so far, and we'll continue the eyes after. So I bought the anti-pollution primer and from Revolution Pro, and then also they got out the skin gloss, face and body gloss. So let's try the anti-pollution primer first, and then I'll put some of the skin gloss. We have a lot of pollution around here in Malta, so I thought getting this would be lovely. But can we just take a minute and appreciate the packaging? 1 second when you actually see the color, because the color is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so it comes out like a cream. Smells weird. It was very creamy. So this one is the Ice shade, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to use obviously a little bit. I'm not going to use a lot. Oh dear, I think I put too much, but it's fine. We just put some and we're going to glow. I actually chose a a foundation for once, which is not matte. Oh god. This has glitters in it. My face is all glittery, guys. I didn't know it was like that. I thought it would just give a glow. Not that it's glittery, oh, but it's fine. It's okay. It has like glitter particles. I don't know if you can see it on my face, but it does. But anyways, now I'm going to just use my foundation and my concealer, conceal and hydrate, and set everything up using the Radiance powder. I really like this foundation, the conceal and hydrate. I think I prefer this one to the conceal and define. Now I'm just going to use my concealer. And then what I'm going to use as well is I'm going to use my cheeky thing. I'm going to just grab my, this is a Rimmel one. I don't actually have one of Makeup Revolution, of the contouring, so yeah, I'm just going to do this. Yeah, I really like how my face has turned into. Now I'm just going to use my Eyeshadow Revolution Radiance powder. These are not new products. I know I love them, so lalo. I broke the paper. I'm just going to take it out. This is really annoying because we really get a little bit of product. Look, this is new. I've never used it. Okay, so I'm just going to take a wee brush like this. And I think I'm going to take Ochre, which was like the first shade I used. And it's what I'm going to put underneath my eyes. Okay, something like that. And then I'm just gonna take this brush as well, it's fine, and put Pearl on it again. And I'm just going to put it in my inner corner, like build it up. All right, so I have these two massive products. So this is the Revolution Glow, the Ultra Glow Highlighter. Okay, I have to take out the other one. So number one, the packaging of these are like intense, and I think I will never be able to finish a highlighter this big. A luster highlight, and it's a really pretty, very, very glowy highlight. It's actually really pretty. And then I also got their new matte sort of bronzers as well. I actually own the another one of this. This is the Splendor one. The Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer, and I got this one in the Fair to Light because the other one is a bit darker. I'm just going to apply a little bit because a little bit goes a long way with these bronzers. And yeah, I'm just going to blend this out. Yeah, I think I'm glad I got this one as well, because this would be perfect for like right now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna try out Luster. So excited. Like my face is already glowing. So I will never ever finish these highlighters ever. I found one. It was a Revolution. So this one is the matte lipstick. Brunch. Oh my goodness, this is a favorite of mine. I love this. It is one of my favorite shades. I forgot to put on mascara. This one, the 5D Lash Mascara. Wand feels so light. So that's the lashes done, and I'm just gonna spray some Conceal and Define Infinite Spray. This smells really bad, but it's good. I also bought some hair stuff because Revolution, if you didn't know, have released their hair care products as well. And I actually bought their range of their hair products. So let me just tell you how these work, because I've tried it out and I actually really liked it. This one is what you would use, yes, first. So this one is the Bond Restore Treatment. These are the Plex products. Protect and Cascade System for all hair types. So this one restores, strengthens and conditions. And again, these are all vegan and cruelty free. So we'll start with this one, and what I do is you wet your hair and then you towel dry it. And basically you leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you would rinse it off, and then you would go into your shampoo. So this is the shampoo. So this is exactly, these are all the same. So this is the Bond Plex shampoo. So you would obviously do your hair with that. And then this is the Bond Plex conditioner. And then after that, you would also go into this one. This is the Bond Plex styling cream. And this basically you would use apply product to towel dry clean hair, smooth through mid lengths and ends, style as desired. So this one you wouldn't touch it with your roots. And I also got this one, which I haven't tried out yet, but I will be trying out in my next wash for sure. This is the Revolution Coconut Nourishing Hair Mask, and this is what it looks like. It smells amazing. I I love anything of coke. Oh my goodness. I love anything of coconut. It was all the products that I bought from Revolution. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ooh, let me know if you liked any of the products, if you tried out any of the products, or if you are interested in buying any of the products, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I'm just going to end the video here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!